In the vast and competitive world of aviation, one airline has managed to soar above its competitors and redefine the way we think about international travel. Emirates, based in Dubai, has not only survived but thrived in an industry known for its cutthroat competition and slim profit margins. In this article, we will explore the remarkable story of how Emirates Airlines has managed to kill other airlines, figuratively speaking, by outperforming them in several key aspects of the airline business. Before delving into the specifics of how Emirates outshone its rivals, let's take a moment to understand the airline itself. Emirates was founded in 1985 and is based in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It's part of the larger Emirates Group, which is owned by the government of Dubai's Investment Corporation. The airline has consistently ranked among the world's top airlines in terms of passenger numbers, revenue, and international reach. Emirates is known for its distinctive branding, featuring a sleek fleet of modern wide-body aircraft, impeccable service, and a vast global network connecting passengers to virtually every corner of the world. The airline has received numerous awards and accolades over the years, solidifying its reputation as a world-class carrier. So, how did Emirates manage to rise above its competitors and dominate the airline industry? Let's explore the various factors that have contributed to its success. One of the key factors in Emirates' success is its strategic location in Dubai, which serves as a major hub for international travel. Dubai's geographical location positions it as a natural stopover point for flights connecting Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. This central location allows Emirates to tap into a vast pool of potential passengers traveling between these regions. Furthermore, Dubai International Airport, where Emirates is based, has consistently ranked as one of the busiest airports in the world. This airport's modern infrastructure, efficient operations, and expanding capacity have made it an attractive choice for both passengers and airlines. Emirates has leveraged this strategic advantage to establish a comprehensive network of routes, connecting passengers seamlessly to over 150 destinations worldwide. Emirates has always maintained a commitment to operating a modern fleet of aircraft. This strategy offers several advantages, including improved fuel efficiency, reduced maintenance costs, and enhanced passenger comfort. The airline has invested billions in acquiring the latest and most fuel-efficient aircraft models, such as the Airbus A380 and Boeing 777. The introduction of the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger aircraft, marked a significant milestone for Emirates. This iconic double-decker plane can carry over 800 passengers in a two-class configuration, offering unparalleled capacity on popular routes. Emirates became the largest operator of the A380, with a fleet exceeding 100 of these giant aircraft. This allowed the airline to serve high-demand routes with fewer flights, reducing operational costs and environmental impact. Emirates has built a reputation for providing exceptional service and an outstanding passenger experience. From the moment passengers step on board, they are greeted by attentive cabin crew, luxurious amenities, and a wide range of entertainment options. The airline's commitment to delivering a premium experience has resonated with passengers and garnered a loyal customer base. One of Emirates' standout features is its onboard entertainment system, known as ICE, Information, Communication, Entertainment. ICE offers a vast selection of movies, TV shows, music, and games, making long-haul flights more enjoyable. The airline also provides complimentary gourmet meals, even in economy class, and offers a range of special services for passengers with diverse needs. Emirates' focus on customer satisfaction extends beyond the cabin. The airline has invested in user-friendly booking platforms, efficient check-in processes, and convenient lounges at its hub in Dubai. All these elements contribute to a seamless and enjoyable travel experience for passengers. Innovation has played a crucial role in Emirates' success. The airline has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in terms of in-flight services. One notable innovation is the introduction of the shower spa on its A380 aircraft, exclusively available for first-class passengers. This amenity allows passengers to refresh themselves with a hot shower at 40,000 feet, a feature unmatched by most other airlines. Additionally, Emirates has introduced virtual windows for passengers seated in windowless suites, offering real-time views of the outside through high-definition cameras. These innovations not only enhance the passenger experience but also differentiate Emirates from its competitors. Emirates' global network is nothing short of impressive. The airline flies to more than 150 destinations across 6 continents, covering major cities and remote destinations alike. This extensive network enables passengers to reach virtually any corner of the world with ease, often requiring just one stopover in Dubai. Emirates' robust network has allowed it to capture a significant share of the lucrative long-haul travel market. Passengers traveling between Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas often find Emirates to be a convenient and cost-effective option. This global reach has given the airline a competitive edge over carriers with more limited networks. Emirates has prioritized fuel efficiency in its operations, both to reduce costs and minimize its environmental footprint. The airline's modern fleet, featuring fuel-efficient aircraft, plays a pivotal role in this strategy. Emirates also employs advanced operational techniques to optimize fuel consumption, such as precise flight planning, route optimization, and weight management. Furthermore, the airline invests in innovative technologies to enhance fuel efficiency. The airline's willingness to take calculated risks and expand rapidly has allowed it to capture market share from competitors. Emirates' expansion efforts are characterized by several key initiatives. These partnerships also facilitate access to new markets. Fleet expansion. Emirates has continually invested in expanding its fleet, often placing large orders for new aircraft to meet growing demand. This strategy ensures that the airline has the capacity to serve an increasing number of passengers. Emirates' ability to open routes to destinations with strong demand has contributed to its growth. Frequent flyer program. Emirates' loyalty program, known as Emirates Skywards, has been a powerful tool for attracting and retaining customers. The government of Dubai has been a strong supporter of the airline, providing financial backing and favorable policies that have facilitated its growth. Please like and subscribe my channel.